And news just coming in, the Trinamool Congress is contemplating action against Mukul Roy, Member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha. Derek O'Brien has been told to prepare a report. No deadline has been set for submitting this report to the disciplinary panel of the Trinamool Congress. We're also being told that the party has told the Rajya Sabha chairperson to change Mukul Roy's seat in the House to segregate him from other party MPs. And for more on this story, I want to bring in headlines today's Indrajit Kundu, who joins us with the latest. Indrajit, take us through what Mamata Banerjee is planning, especially after this video came to light.
Well, that's right, Gaurav. The rift between Mamata Banerjee and Mukul Roy seems to be widening with each passing hour now. There have been a lot of statements that Mukul Roy has been speaking out in the media pretty openly against the party. And now that the secret video has surfaced, it clearly gives an indication that Mukul Roy is contemplating moving out of the Trinamool Congress. So it's a battle of nerves between Mukul Roy and the Trinamool Congress right now. Mukul Roy is still holding on to his position of the party MP, even though he has been stripped of each and every party post. Mamata Banerjee too is contemplating action. We are learning that Derek O'Brien has been asked to submit a report containing all the statements that Mukul Roy has made in recent past. That will be submitted before the disciplinary committee, and then further action would be initiated. In the meantime, a letter has already been sent to the chairman of Rajya Sabha to relegate Mukul Roy to the last bench of the Rajya Sabha seating arrangement, so that he does not sit along with the MPs of the Trinamool Congress, the rest of the MPs of the Trinamool Congress in Rajya Sabha.
Okay, meantime, now this rebellion that is being talked about,
stated.
Okay, this rebellion within the Trinamool Congress, it isn't restricted to just Mukul Roy. Is the party appearing for a split, and if so, when? And does Mukul Roy intend to float his own party, or as some indicate, there are other plans after he met Prime Minister Narendra Modi?
Well, there are two options that are before Mukul Roy right now, and what we are learning from sources close to Mukul Roy is that he is contemplating two theories right now. One would be to float his own faction within the Trinamool Congress. There are many who believe that Mukul Roy is the person who actually formed Trinamool Congress. He is the person who actually, sent a letter to the Election Commission way back in 1998, forming the All India Trinamool Congress, and he was the General Secretary then. And it was Mamata Banerjee who later joined the Trinamool Congress after leaving, Congress.
Okay.
So there is a legal, battle that is ensuing right now. So in case the Trinamool Congress, contemplates any sort of action against Mukul Roy, the possibility of Mukul Roy moving court cannot be ruled out. The second option is, of course, him forming a new party, which will have the backing of the BJP. And the third and the last option, of course, is Mukul Roy joining the BJP itself. We are hearing that the BJP leadership is also divided on this front, because there was a vicious campaign against Mukul Roy in the state by the state BJP, where people like Siddharth Nath Singh coined statements like "Bhag Mukul Bhag" regarding the Sharda chit fund scam.
So singed by the Sharda scam, yes.
Mukul Roy,
would they want him to be a part of the BJP, or would they rather see him as a partner before elections by the independent party? Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.